Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Yoli business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact simple three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboard for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. In this way, you could get highly qualified and targeted prospects of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who have already accomplished what you want to accomplish, looking at what they've done, and going after similar keywords, creating updated content. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to do this. You're going to go to the video you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for that are going to bring more traffic to your offer. Create a coherent title with your keyword phrase, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description that's about 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and save your thumbnail as your primary keyword. But you don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word exactly what somebody said, but you want to create similar content, 3 to 5 minutes long, that goes after the same keyword. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. So you want to find out where like-minded people are hanging out. And in this case, you're looking for like-minded network marketers. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyways. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I think we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? By reaching out to people with a first message like this, you'll start to build your audience. As you build your audience, you want to engage with that audience by asking a question, a fill in the blank, I love my blank, posting engaging pictures, posting blog posts. Those are just a few examples. And you want to make 5 to 10 connections per day. You can do this. Some good groups are the Robert Kiyosaki group and the Tony Robbins fan page. Be consistent in these groups. People get to know you from your comments. And you want comments on the posts of others and be social. Your mindset should be around making connections and not closing prospects. Again, and as you build your audience, you want to post on your timeline, but you want to post curiosity and not resistance. So as 90% personal and 10% about your business. The 10% about your business could be results of others or your own results. The 90% personal, you want those to be pictures of yourself, you at the mall, you at the beach, you hanging out with your family, you in front of food, those kind of things. And you can also have quotes, picture quotes, all those are good things. A good curiosity post is going to lead to somebody reaching out to you about your business. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powders, almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may hear that and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link. And I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link and I'll walk you through and show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.